Hi friend, welcome to this video. In this video we'll talk about prompt and some other things to play around this one. And first of all, I just going to write here just like that, prompt PROMPT prompt, and here is the parenthesis and semicolon, and within the parenthesis I'm just going to write here, how old are you? How old are you? And prompt, control plus S to save it, and going back here and open it. You can see how old are you, it's a prompt, and just going to write here 24 and clicking OK. You can see it's not showing here. And now I just going to write here a variable declaring to make it this variable, just like that, where, and its name of variable is simply any name you can write. age1, it's a variable name, and now it's okay. And no, here is the equal sign because this is complete value and I have to assign this value to age1. Here is a variable, so that is why equal sign. And second line, I just want to write here document, document, document dot write, 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 and parentheses, and here I just have to write the variable name to call it age1. And remember, here is no inverted commas or no it's brackets. Here is a brackets, and we will not close this age in inverted commas, simply mean quotation. Why? Because quotation is already here and this value is in quotation is saved, having a quotation is saved in age1, so that is why without quotation is here we must have to do. So control plus S to save. Now you can see in the output result how it will happen. You can see how old are you. I'm just going to write here 29 and going to click OK. You can see here it's because of this one, this document dot write. Actually our value is taken by this variable. This our value is stored in age1, and output was shown by this statement, document dot write age1. So value of age1 is shown here on the browser. So I hope you have understood this function. Again, going to refresh it and writing here 56 and going to click OK. You can see. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.